how to log into Discord with a QR code. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly log into Discord using a QR code without typing in your email or password. Stick around till the end and let's get into it. First, open up Discord on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right to go to your user settings. Then tap the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Scan QR Code. If it asks for camera access, go ahead and allow it. Now, on your computer screen, make sure you're on the Discord login page and the QR code is visible. Hold your phone up and scan the QR code. After that, Discord will ask you to confirm. Just tap, "Yes, log me in." And that's it. You're now logged into Discord on your desktop. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.